In this video, you will learn the rules of the dominant 7th chord in root position. The dominant 7th chord contains two dissonant intervals, the minor 7th between the root and the 7th, and the tritone between the 3rd and the 7th. In minor keys, the 3rd of the chord, which is the leading tone, must be raised. Dissonance is prepared if it is preceded by the same tone. Approached by step from above, approached by step from below, or unprepared but allowable 7th may be approached from a small skip from below. A dissonant tone is resolved by moving down a step. One of the more common ways a 5 can go into a 5/7 is in the soprano. Here, the root of the G chord in the soprano moves to the 7th of the chord, which is the note F. While parallel perfect fifths are to be avoided, a perfect fifth may move to a diminished fifth if the diminished fifth is subsequently resolved. Here, the perfect fifth moves to a diminished fifth and then resolves to a 3rd. The 5/7 is a 4-note chord, but in many situations the root is doubled and the 5th is omitted. The most common use of the 5/7 chord is a penultimate cadential chord. There are only 2 procedures permissible in 4 parts. Both of these involve the omission of the 5th from one chord. Either the 5/7 chord or the following 1 chord will be complete. To create an incomplete 5/7 to a complete 1, omit the 5th of the 5/7 chord. Let us make an incomplete 5/7 to a complete 1 chord in C major. The 5/7 chord in C major is a G major 7th and includes the notes G, B, and F. The complete 1 chord is C major and includes the notes C, E, and G. Make a G major 7th chord with the G in the bass, B in the tenor, G in the alto, and F in the soprano. Move the bass from the G to the C. Move the leading tone up to the tonic, so move the B in the tenor to the C. The 7th resolves down by step to the 1 chord, so move the F in the soprano to the note E. Keep the common tone G in the alto. All the movement except the bass resolves by step. Let us make a complete 5/7 to an incomplete 1 in C major. The complete 5/7 has nothing doubled. The 5/7 has the notes G, B, D, and F. Put the G in the bass, D in the tenor, F in the alto, and the B in the soprano. The 1 chord is incomplete, with the root tripled. Move the bass from the G to the C. The leading tone resolves up to the tonic, so move the B in the soprano up to the C. The note F, which is the 7th of the chord, resolves down to the note E. The 5th of the 5/7 chord resolves by step to the root of the 1 chord, so move the D in the tenor to the note C. All the movement except the bass resolves by step. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.